Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to delete Oculus accounts. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to delete your Oculus accounts, all you need to do is simply tap open the app itself. So once you have opened the app, you will end up in this kind of interface. So once you are in this interface, all you need to do is simply tap on the menu option. So once you have tapped on the menu option as well, you need to now tap on the settings option, and after doing so you need to now tap on the account settings. So after you have done this as well, you need to now simply tap on the see more in account center, and after doing this you need to tap on personal details. After you are done with this as well, you need to now simply tap on account ownership and control, and there you can find deactivation or deletion. So once you have done this, select your account and hit the continue button. After doing this as well, you need to simply review it and simply scroll down below and hit the continue button and follow the on-screen prompts, which will delete your Oculus account permanently. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos. Thank you for watching.